nTask is a project management platform that enables your teams to plan, manage, analyze, and collaborate everyday tasks faster than ever. Let's get started with the dashboards. The home to all your workspaces. Customize all workspaces into projects, company departments, or even clients. Plan projects. Create and allocate tasks. Make to-do lists while assigning roles to all the team members. Track everything and set priorities with due dates. Collaborate with your team and visualize your work data in different views. With Kanban boards, visually see work at various stages, using cards to represent work items and columns to represent each stage of the process. Gantt charts provide key insights into all tasks in your projects. Never second-guess your decisions when you make task dependencies with nTask Gantt charts. Set milestones, track budget, and see the profit with real-time financial summary. Want to get organized? Meet nTask Project Planner. Plan everything to a T and never let anything slip. nTask gives you all the tools to complete your projects successfully. Integrates nTask with all the tools you already use. Emails, calendar, meeting apps, and many more. All your information easily accessible on one platform. nTask enables teams to accomplish more. Sign up today or visit our website, www.ntaskmanager.com. nTask. Do it right.
If you're looking for information on the nTask lifetime deal and experience an end-to-end project management app that has you covered with tasks, projects, resources, issues, risks, collaboration, meetings, and time management. Introducing nTask, fully packed with features like Gantt charts with task dependencies and critical path, Kanban boards with custom statuses and flows, risk register and risk matrices, resource workload management with time mapping and planning, meetings management with Outlook and Gmail sync, timesheets with approval flows, project budgeting and financials with billable and unbillable tracking, automations for workflows and reminders, collaboration with real-time task updates, work with any team size, create workspaces and departments to split your team, and manage everything on one app. A fully featured work management app with resource, risks, and financial management. The only tool you need to manage your work, teams, and goals. Understand the activities that employees are developing to complete projects. Identify project risks, assign risk owners, create mitigation plans, analyze with a risk matrix, and mitigate your risks. Amplified risk assessment and documentation. Identify and document all the risks to prepare yourself in a better way for unforeseen events. Risk analysis with assessment graph and risk matrix. Create extremely customizable risk matrices with any grid formation. Define your custom risk drivers and visualize your progress with a matrix or progress graph. Effective risk mitigation plans. Create your risk mitigation plan on nTask to keep everyone in the loop, appoint risk owners, and work seamlessly on a mitigation strategy. Add custom fields for efficient risk management. nTask enables you to create new fields in the risk module such as drop-downs, checklists, and matrices with editable rows and columns. Stay on top of work and manage time better with a time tracking software that's built around you. Manage your team and project finances. Easily manage your team and project finances and monitor funds in real time with nTask financial summaries. Robust time tracking for your team. Easily track time spent on tasks with nTask or make manual time entries to your tasks. Complete visibility of project progress with timesheets. Monitor the time spent by your team on specific tasks or projects. Time estimates for your projects and tasks. Easily enter the estimated time that will be spent on projects and tasks to plan ahead for your projects. Create your personalized nTask project management powerhouse just the way your business needs. Build your dream workflows. Customize your tasks, projects, risks, and issue management workflows by using our tailor-made custom fields. Create, organize, track, and develop processes that can drive business growth using nTask. Make anything possible to manage. Using nTask can create numerous possibilities to develop and organize work you want to manage productively. Custom fields can be used across all the modules offered in the app and be used at any workspace with the fields you have created. Add data fields that are important. Now you can make simple calculations using nTask custom fields for determining costs, revenues, lead scoring, profit, and any other value you in your workspace view. Add reminders and one-click data export, break the clutter, and add only those custom data fields that are important to your business. You can create different fields for each department in your organization separated by workspaces or teams. Moreover, you can add reminders and export all your data into an Excel sheet with just one click. plan, manage timelines, and visualize projects with Gantt chart software built for you. 5x faster planning, 3x faster execution. Quickly map, track, manage, and collaborate on your project activities, giving you full visibility of the overall workflows. Create tasks, add task descriptions, and link issues or meetings with projects in just a click. Schedule like a pro, assign tasks, set planned and actual due dates, create task dependencies, and set milestones to ensure deadlines are met with quality project delivery. Monitor projects in real time, keep track of your project every time the status is updated, and get real-time notifications. Manage small or large projects with budget management, and also get a view of cost summary. Why are you late? Get access to nTask today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.